Good morning, my students. How is it going? I wish you are good today. You'll start the second lesson of Unit 2, Dangers of Electricity and How to Deal with it. First, let's talk about the uses of electricity in our daily life. First, cooking food with heaters, preserving food cold inside fridges, and lighthouses, operating machines and toys. So we can say that electricity is so important in our daily life. The materials are divided according to its conductivity of electricity into conductors of electricity and insulators of electricity. What is the difference between conductors and insulators? Here, let's have a look. Conductors, they are materials which allow electricity or electric current to flow through. And insulators, they are the bad conductors. They are materials which don't allow electric current to flow through. Okay? For example, here in conductors, we have the metals. Metals, iron, aluminum, copper, carbon, and impure water. The human body contains 70% of it from water, so it's a good conductor of electricity. And the insulators are plastic, rubber, wood, glass. They are examples of insulators of electricity. And here we have a note. Electricity reaches our houses from electric power stations through insulated metal cables. Okay. The cables are covered with insulated material like plastic to avoid moving the electric current to the poles. There are two types of injuries resulting from improper use of electricity. Here we have direct injuries and indirect injuries. First, we'll talk about the fires resulting from electric current. Here we have the reasons. Placing electric machines as electric heaters close to a flammable material like furniture, curtain, rugs, cloth. And increasing the electric load by operating more than one machine in one socket, like this and this. Not disconnecting the electric current from machines which generate heat after using them, that leads to the increasing in the temperature of machines and causes fire. So we can say we have three reasons of fires that resulting from electricity. In case of we have a fire resulting from electricity, we can't use the water to put out the fire. Why? Because we said that water is a good conductor. So in this case, it will increase the fire. Okay? Here we can use the sand or the fire extinguisher to put out the fire resulting from the electricity. And the second danger or injury is the electric shock. Electric shock resulting from passing an electric current through a human body, as we can see, to become a part of electric circuit. The harms resulting from electric shock depends on the strength of electric current. So the electric current may be weak, like the battery, or very strong, like that resulting from the power stations, and the time taken by electric current to pass through the human body. So if you expose to the electric current for 1 second, don't look like if you expose to the electric current for 1 hour. Here we'll talk about the reasons or causes that may lead to the Electric shock. When a part of human body touches a wire, has electric current, and another part touching the ground. When a part of human body touches a wire, has an electric current, another part touches conducting material connected to the ground. Okay, and here in number 3, touching two wires conducting electric current or electricity. How to deal with the electric shock? If you see someone have electric shock, in this case, when this accident occurs as a result of electric shock, we have to disconnecting the electricity, okay, or pushing the injured by any object made of an insulating material like this, from plastic or wood. And here in number 3, we'll talk about the burns resulting from the electric current. The reasons touching an electric current source as a result of electric shock, or touching a fire or a spark resulting from the electric fire. And here in number 3, touching an electric machine that generates heat like iron or electric heater. And now all of us know that the electric current is so dangerous. So how to deal with it? We have some precautions in dealing with electricity, like don't place several connections in the same socket. Don't insert a metal object in the socket like a nail or a screwdriver, not insulated, or metal wire. Place a piece of plastic in the socket to prevent inserting another body in it. Don't touch the electric machines that are connected to the electrical current with a wet hand. Don't leave an electric machine or heater connected with the electrical current while taking a bath. Don't play with the electric connections. Don't try to fix, maintain, or clean any electric machine while connected to the electric current. Don't place the flammable materials like carton, furniture, cloth, covers, rugs, papers near electric machines that emit heat like iron or electric heaters, lamps, or the heaters. Don't leave the wires naked and not insulated. Don't place the electric wires extending on the ground so on trips on them while walking. And now we have finished the lesson. Let's have the to-do list. Watch the session another time, read the materials of the lesson thoroughly, and solve the homework sheet. See you next session.